So I wanted to thank you all for coming. I wanted to thank you all for being part of what we're doing today at Big Idea Ventures.
We really believe that we need to change the way we eat, and we believe the way to do that is through innovation and creating more amazing products on the market.
I really had a good experience with BIV. I have a lot of insights from them. They taught me a lot of things, and it allows your feet to grow up quickly, really quickly.
It's been phenomenal because in a very short period of time we were introduced to a completely new industry. You've given us through Big Idea Ventures the opportunity to reach out to more than 100 companies in the food industry and specifically in the sector that we'd like to cater to. If I have to say a few words, is that really it's an accelerator.
We're bringing together some amazing entrepreneurs, investors, and we're giving them the opportunity to stand up on stage and talk about the visions for how they're going to create, how they're going to change the world. We're based in Station F today. It's been an amazing event, lots of incredible people. The companies have been just so good. You know, it's one thing to meet the companies and to see their business plans and to see their visions for their companies. It's quite another to actually meet them and have them stand up on stage and talk about how they are so engaged and going to be changing the world in a very positive way. So, very exciting day.